In today's video, we're taking a closer look at one of the most stunning luxury motorhomes ever designed, a full-size, premium black Toyota-style RV that redefines what modern road travel can feel like. From the very first glance, this motorhome captures attention with its glossy black exterior, accented beautifully by silver and white stripes that glide smoothly along the body. It doesn't just look premium, it feels like a masterpiece on wheels, engineered for those who want comfort, presence, and pure sophistication. As we move closer to the front, the design becomes even more impressive. The modern LED headlights are crafted with a sharp, futuristic look, giving the vehicle an identity of its own, especially when illuminated. The front grille and bold lines create an assertive presence, and the chrome-finished side mirrors add a touch of elegance that perfectly complements the overall metallic sheen of the exterior. Every detail has been finished with precision, making the RV look like it belongs in the future. The motorhome sits on premium alloy wheels, designed not only for style but for stability and performance during long-distance travel. These wheels add a sporty character to the otherwise ultra-luxury profile, making the vehicle look powerful and ready for adventure. What really makes this RV unique, though, is its extended slide-out living sections. When expanded, they significantly increase the interior space, turning the motorhome into something that feels more like a compact luxury apartment than a vehicle. Right now, it's parked inside a bright, spotless luxury showroom, and the reflections on the polished floor highlight the clean, crisp body lines. The cinematic lighting of the space enhances every curve and angle, making the exterior look almost hyper-realistic, as if it's been rendered in 8K quality. Even the smallest elements, the contours, the shading, the bold edges, are visible with exceptional clarity. It's the kind of design that demands attention without even trying. As we walk around it, the wide-angle view shows just how well-balanced the proportions are. Nothing feels oversized or out of place, everything is crafted with purpose. The color combination is striking, a deep, glossy black that absorbs the light, contrasted with smooth silver and white lines that add depth and motion, even when the vehicle is standing still. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement about style, ambition, and modern comfort. Inside, the RV continues its luxury story. Although we're focused mainly on the exterior today, it's impossible not to imagine the type of interior that matches a vehicle of this caliber: premium seating, ambient LED lighting, high-end materials, and a layout designed for both relaxation and long-term travel. With the slide-out sections, the interior space becomes remarkably roomy, giving you the kind of freedom and comfort that only top-tier motorhomes can offer. As we continue exploring this remarkable motorhome, let's take a closer look at the craftsmanship that truly sets it apart. When you examine the exterior panels, you'll notice how flawlessly each section aligns. There are no harsh edges, no uneven joints, everything flows like a single continuous surface. This level of precision is rare, even among high-end motorhomes, and it shows just how much attention has been paid to achieving a clean, streamlined design. What's equally impressive is how the designers have managed to maintain a perfect balance between form and function. The aerodynamic structure isn't just for show, it helps improve stability on the motorway, reduces wind noise, and enhances the overall driving experience. Even at higher speeds, the vehicle feels steady and composed, offering you a smooth and confident ride. It's the kind of performance you'd expect from a luxury SUV, but here, it's built into a full-size motorhome. Let's move toward the rear of the vehicle for a moment. Here, the design remains just as refined and purposeful. The taillights are slim, modern, and elegantly integrated into the bodywork, giving the back end a polished, premium finish. You'll also notice the subtle design lines that travel across the entire side profile, creating a sense of motion and energy. It's impressive how the rear manages to look both powerful and minimalistic at the same time, avoiding the bulky appearance that many larger motorhomes tend to have. Walking around, the lighting in the showroom reveals just how reflective and deep the black paint really is. Every step you take brings a new view, it almost behaves like a mirror, capturing the surroundings and blending them into the smooth, glossy surface. The silver and white striping adds just the right amount of contrast, giving the exterior a stylish, dynamic touch. It's easy to understand why people are drawn to this motorhome the moment they see it. Now, picture this vehicle outdoors, parked near a lakeside, positioned on a scenic hillside, or resting quietly in a forest camping spot. The design would stand out beautifully in any environment. The glossy black exterior would capture the colors of the sunset, the early morning fog, or the surrounding trees, creating an artistic, almost cinematic scene everywhere you go. This is a vehicle that turns ordinary travel moments into memorable experiences. Moving back to the functional aspects, the slide-out sections deserve a bit more attention. When retracted, they fit seamlessly into the side of the motorhome, keeping the profile sleek and consistent. But once extended, they dramatically increase the interior space, offering room for a larger lounge area, a more comfortable bedroom setup, or even a compact kitchen. It's genuinely impressive how smoothly the extensions work, quiet, stable, and engineered with precision. Another detail worth mentioning is the height and ground clearance. Despite being a luxury motorhome, as we step inside this remarkable motorhome, the first thing you notice is the sheer sense of space. The interior feels open, inviting and thoughtfully designed, as if every inch has been considered with comfort and practicality in mind. The extended slide-out sections truly transform the living area, creating a generous space that allows you to move around freely without ever feeling confined. It's remarkable how a vehicle can feel this luxurious on the inside while still maintaining such a sleek, compact form on the outside. The lighting plays a huge role in shaping the atmosphere. Soft LED strips run along the ceiling and under the cabinets, creating a warm, ambient glow that instantly makes the interior feel calm and elegant. Whether you're relaxing after a long day of travel or entertaining guests, the lighting adjusts beautifully to match the mood. Even small details, like the dimmable settings and hidden fixtures, add to the sense of refinement. The seating area is crafted with plush, premium upholstery designed for long-term comfort. The cushions feel firm yet inviting, and the stitching across the seams speaks to the level of craftsmanship involved. The layout is designed for both relaxation and practicality, perfect for watching a film, enjoying a meal, or simply unwinding with a cup of tea while taking in the view from the large windows. These wide windows allow natural light to pour in during the day, offering scenic views of whatever destination you find yourself in. Moving further inside, the kitchen area is compact but incredibly well equipped. Everything is positioned exactly where you'd want it: a sleek countertop, a modern induction stove, intelligently hidden storage compartments, and a compact fridge that blends seamlessly with the cabinetry. The finishes, whether metallic, wooden, or matte, look and feel premium. It's amazing how such a small space can feel fully functional without feeling crowded or cluttered. Further along, the motorhome offers a surprisingly comfortable sleeping space. The bed is positioned to maximize comfort and privacy, with soft lighting and cleverly placed storage options that allow you to keep your essentials close without taking up valuable space. The mattress is thick and supportive, and the design ensures a peaceful night's sleep even when the vehicle is parked outdoors. The materials chosen for the bedding area continue the theme of refined, modern elegance. Even the